Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is what? Free 99. Just hit that red subscribe button. Cost you nothing. Now let's get into our cash stuffing video today. It honestly shouldn't take that long because we don't have a lot. And I forgot, girl, we had some leftover money and we need to stuff it. So let's start here because in our 100 envelope is where we leave our like extra money. So this is where the extra money is. I believe we have $70 in here. And then we also had $10 left in Hold Your Horses, which I'm going to leave there for a minute. Let's see how much we have. I think we have 70 or 71. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So we have $71 to work with. And the first thing I want to do, because y'all know I'm trying to work on, let's put it this way, the 100 envelope challenge. This first envelope is completely filled. They're 1 through 10 until we get to 100. On this one, we have 11 through 20. We've stopped at 15. So let's go ahead and grab the calculator and see what we can add this week or this month. 16 plus 17 plus 18 is 51. I think that's a good place to stop. Let's put $51 in here. All right, so let's get our $51. 20, 40, 50. One, that worked out, right? Because it's like one extra dollar. Perfect, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and add that in, and we're going to mark off our 16 plus 17 plus 18. Yeah. Oh, God. I've been watching too much. I was going to see if a check mark worked, but no, that's okay. Watching too much D bankroll. So in total, we have in this particular envelope, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 15, 16. Wow. We have $116 already in this envelope. I'm excited. And I put this away so I don't remember about it. So it's nice to know. So that's all we're doing in here. And I wanted to start my scratch offs, but the ones I bought from S&C Budgets haven't gotten here yet. The cute little Afro ones I was so excited about. They haven't gotten here yet, but I think I got a notification that they got sent out yesterday. Now, I'm not going to do, we have 20, no, I wish, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have $20 left. And I can't remember because I think she sold out of this what the last, like the largest number on here is for the 250 side. So I'm gonna hold off on that for a little bit. So what I am gonna do, y'all, is put it in a different envelope. And when I have maybe like $30 to play with, I think I'll scratch something on here. But I have a major birthday coming up. It's my best friend's like milestone, one of her milestone birthdays. So I really have already started buying a few things here and there. And I didn't quite plan out for that, and that's okay. And my niece is prom, I think, this month as well. And I'm not going to do too much for that, except if there's a party. I haven't heard anything about a party yet, but I will bring her some flowers. I feel like prom is a party, so they don't do that. Probably graduation would be a party. Anyway, I just want to have like $20 so I can go buy her some flowers and bring them to her on her graduation. So all the envelopes that I'm not bringing around for my variable expenses have been put in here. So that's where they will be. And then back here is the cutest envelope. I'm always going to say that. I love it for this character scratch off and then planner stuff. Oh, where's gifts? Maybe gifts is up here. Okay, I want to move gifts
and fitness towards the back here. Okay. All right.
So y'all know I've been putting a little bit in gifts. I had a couple dollars in there for my sister's baby shower that has not baby shower, her baby gift. She didn't have no baby shower. That has gone and come. And so that was done. So I'm going to add the next $20. We accounted that already. This $20 in here. I need to put this back in this. Let me get a pen. Let's see if this works. And today is actually 4/11. I know the date, y'all. Look at me. And this is going to be this is going to go toward whatever I buy my BFF for a gift. Oh my gosh, y'all. I have to tell y'all. And so this is adding $20. So 30 plus 20 is $50. So there should be a total of $50 here. $20, $30, $35, $40, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $50. Exactly, $50. So we're making our way downtown. What I wanted to tell you guys though is about this. Where's my gift? Chill. What I wanted to tell you about was this gift that I booked her, that one of my friends from my self-work school group had told us about, and I am so excited. Y'all knew about this and did not tell me. We are no longer friends. Why would you do that to me? Y'all know I'm always looking for fun stuff to do. Hold on, let me talk to y'all. Okay, y'all, don't talk about me if I look a little crazy, okay? I'm in my house. However, let me tell y'all about this, that I'm so excited. I'm like, if I didn't know, I don't know if y'all know. Now, if you knew and you didn't tell me, shame on you. All right, guys, y'all. So I wanted to tell y'all about what I booked for my friend for her birthday. Her birthday is actually on the 25th, but we're going to do this event on the 21st because that's when this lady had this virtual experience for as guests. Because some of her other ones, you had to book a group, and girl, ain't no group. And I love that her personal experiences are only 6 people. So, and this is not for everyone. So what I'm talking about, y'all, and I booked an experience for me and my best friend to cook Korean food with a Korean lady who lived in Korea, now lives in London, but has been doing this for a long time. And she's like an older lady, grandma vibes. And we're gonna she gives you the grocery list. She actually is really cool because she gives you all the recipes to all the classes she's teaching for the month, even though you're just taking one class. And I'm so excited to do this. And my best friend seems so excited to do this. And it was such a beautiful thing to be able to do it with her without being there. Because my best friend lives in New Jersey. And she's already coming down in June. So we'll probably do something else, go out to actually eat together when she's here in June. But this is going to be such a cool experience. I'm probably the only one that's this excited. But I wanted to share with y'all because they not only have cooking experiences, but fam, I'm a foodie, so therefore. But they have if you want to do it as a family, they have experiences where you would go, somebody with a safari who lives somewhere in Africa will take you on a safari through your computer, all these different things. Some things I wouldn't do and some things are great, and they're not super expensive, y'all. This food thing was $23 per person. To me, that's a great thing for a digital experience. And they have things that are way cheaper than that. Just check it out. I'll leave the link down below. I'm super excited about it. If you've done one of these before, let me know. Of course, they do come with ratings and how many people have signed up before, so check that out. Make sure it's, it's not some weird scammy thing, but it's Airbnb. So I feel like it's a accredited company. So I'm excited for that. And then I also bought her one tiny other little thing that I won't mention in case she sees this video. I've already ordered it and it's customizable, what I really love about it. And I shipped it off to her. And from, what we've been talking about, it will be really great for her. After the video or after she gets it, I'll share with you what I bought. Because maybe you want to share it with someone else in your life because they are also a book lover, because she's a book lover. It's something for her books. But yeah, y'all, that is it. I just had to come on share with y'all because I was so excited when I found out about these Airbnb virtual experiences. I had no idea. Shout out to my girl Janelle from our group that told me about it. Okay, because I'm like, yes, I really need things to do for fun. And this is going to count as fun for me. I'm really excited, except for the groceries, Lord. Y'all know that buying groceries, okay, I'm off the tangent. This is a whole nother video. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching. That was the end of our stuffing of our saving challenges. Wasn't much money to go around, but I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Bye.